Welcome back sa ating instructional video para sa ating 10-step workflow for processing survey return using SurveyCalc. Okay, so the last video, na-complete natin yung step 1, filling up survey information. So this time, we'll go to step 2. So ang step 2 natin is setting up preferences. So sineset up natin yung preferences sa project natin. Select natin yung title block natin, set natin yung scale, yung precision, at saka styling ng project natin. So, let's do it. So, this is the last time. So, we'll maximize yung drawing natin. But by the way, you don't forget to save. So, sinesave ko tong drawing. Save as. So, don't forget to save our drawing kasi talagang kailangan na i-save yung drawing. So, this time, I save it to the desktop. Then, training demo. So, dito sinesave ko to. So, that's it. Sinesave ko yung drawing natin. So, we'll go to button number 2 to set up our preferences. Click button number 2. Okay, this time we need to select our title block. So since this is a DNR survey preparation, so select natin DNR. At saka yung field discover DNR format din. So pag LRA ito, dapat LRA din dito. So since DNR, we'll select DNR. Plotting scale, we'll select from polyline kasi may standard tayo. So, from out of this polyline, automatic na isi-select niya kung anong appropriate scale. So, select polyline, click this boundary. Pwede din pick points. Pick points, select niya mga outermost points. Hindi kailangan lahat, but mga outermost points. So, 100 din. So, pag polyline, 100 din. So, for this drawing, 100 yung scale na appropriate scale niya kasi 319 square meters nga lang. Okay? So, for precision, dito is set linear to centimeter, until centimeter only, 2 decimal places. Coordinates to, I think sa LRA, 4 daw ang gusto. So, dito is set natin. Para to sa LDC, lahat ng mga coordinates natin. So, yung precision natin until centimeter lang. Yung area is 0. Yung angular is degree minutes lang. So, this is how you need to set up. So, lahat dito, ito yung mga constants para sa mga text height. So, later on, maintindihan mo ito. But for now, just leave it as it is. So, for mother lot naming, pag consolidation, dapat lot numbers. Pero pag simple subdivision lang, isa lang mo yung boundary. So, pwede natin pangalanan boundary. So, let's set for boundary for now. Okay, so this one for area setting, so yung table ng technical description mo, included na yung area. Pag ayaw mo, so no area. So but for me, I like the included area. So for tile line settings, so add tile lines to the main table. So kasali na yung tile line data sa table mo, sa loob ng technical description. So, ito yung pipiliin. Pero pag gusto mo i-separate, so, separate tables for tile lines. But for me, I like the add tile line to main table. So, no horizontal lines. Pag gusto mo may horizontal line yung technical description mo, so, pwede mo mag-add ng horizontal line. Pag for me, I don't like that horizontal line. So, no horizontal line for me. So, okay. So, that's it. That's how you set up your preferences. So, see you in the next video for step number 3.